Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. Are you ready for yet another episode where I turn children's drawings into finished illustrations? Well, I am, I love this series, and let's see what we have in store for this week's video. In this episode, I will be redrawing an original character created by the son of one of my best friends. His son is named Jeff, and he drew me this picture. As you can see, we have a monster going on. If we are looking closely to some details, we can see we have some wing action going on. We have 4 arms, and very interesting on the center of his head, that yellow-red dot there. He told me this was for shooting laser beams, so we for sure will incorporate that in the drawing. A very cool design, Jeff, and I will do my best to turn this one into an epic illustration. Let's go! Hey man, are we almost done? This is like taking forever. Well, usually it takes me up to 5 hours to make an illustration like this. 5 hours? You mean I have to sit here for 5 hours? Well, you are the cameraman, aren't you? No wonder the other guy just quit. But I'm paying you to do the job, right? Yeah, okay. Just get on with it, will ya? I don't have all day, you know. Well, stop interrupting me then. Here goes. There, I'm done. You like it? It's so hard to find decent employees these days. Well, let's watch the drawing. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. Let's make this family as big as we can. Well, that's it for this week. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!